Hello, everyone, and welcome to this another Hall of Fame interview wherein another student of CAM has cracked the code of career acceleration. And we have today our esteemed guest who has been waiting for that breakthrough moment for more than 6 months when he joined. And within 3 months of joining the CAM, today we have a result which is not only surprising, it is breaking all the records of CAM as well. So he has got the new job, which is now is a career and with 150% hike, which is obviously not heard of in the reality. So this is where we are. So welcome to the Hall of Fame. And you have really proved in terms of whatever we have talked a little bit, you have really proved that how depth that you have gone into, especially in the camp, which has helped you to achieve this result. So help us start with this. Why did you join camp in the first place?
Thanks, Rakesh, for introducing me. Yes, so I was, just got an opportunity to attend the webinar. I
Mhm.
remember the day, last day of the year, 31st December, and I was totally impressed because all the things, all the situation and cases were the same we are going through our life or the different phases of the life. So it was
Absolutely.
very touching, and it was very resembling with the stories which we happened or faced, and without taking or thinking, and taking the second opinion, I just joined. So because I would like to grow myself, and I was not aware with lots of things, you know which we missed. That is basically the cost of ignorance, if we say,
Absolutely.
right? So that was my quick start, if I would like to say, in my decisions till the life, I mean, which I have taken.
And help us understand what was your situation when you joined us? I'm sure you were not going through the good phase anyway. So, what prompted you to join CAM?
It was not good at all. Yes, you are right. So basically, I was looking a good breakthrough, and I was, putting all my efforts, which we say the traditional efforts, and I was not getting the result.
So, you were employed or you were not employed?
So I was not employed. Basically, due to the COVID situation, I lost my job,
Mhm.
and I was trying hard to get it back. But in that situation of COVID, you are aware, so
Yes,
it's
absolutely.
very, very, very difficult to get it back again. So I put my all efforts, all tools, techniques, each and everything. But as always, I can say now, nothing works because they were too old.
True, true, true. Okay, wonderful. So, help us understand in the CAM what change in you in terms of you as a person and your approach towards building your career.
So, when I joined the camp, I just thought, it is just a course,
Mhm.
right? Like the other courses we did. But when I started, going through all the modules, every module is the same story which happened or was, we have faced in our past life or experiences. So the first impression is that from the first module, it changed the pattern of our thinking, right? What action we have to take from our day one, what thinking we have to put forward, the beliefs, the believing system, that are first and foremost system, the affirmations, that works very well, and it gives you the first confidence, the first step to grow in your career. So the first thing which I learned here is the self affirmation, self mastery, self discovery, so that you should know, because we don't know, many of us, not me, many of us, we don't know about ourselves, you know who we are, what we would like to achieve. And I would like to thank you. The first module is basically my the second round of interview is equal. All the questions, I mean, which we have worked or has been asked, in a same way. So I can say leadership has a common language, it's a universal language.
True. Wonderful. And help us understand, if we have to pick up, let's say, three things which had made a lot of impact in your career by going through the career accession mastery, what would you pick up?
If I will say in a single line, that will not be, that is good if I will say. And each and every time I remember those lines, it is in my mind. Magic is in action.
Yes.
So magic is in action is every time is in my mind, whether I'm working for an organization, I'm working for my self discovery. So earlier what happened, we read, we have gone through all such phases but forgot after 2 days, we never take any step. I
True.
remember we have joined in my past. I have joined lots of courses. They are incomplete on LinkedIn Learning still, right? So the magic is in action, and you should be a good starter and as well as a good finisher,
Finisher.
right? So all those lines are, important. And if I will say, third one is in my also mind. Don't chase for perfection. Just follow the progress or the
Absolutely.
process.
Absolutely. Wonderful. Wonderful. So help us understand what brought this complete transformation in terms of the salary figure, because this is something which is unheard of. CAM was always been a world class course where people were getting 50, 60%, 70%. We had a highest one as such. And you cross all the milestone that I had actually personally. And I'm really happy for you that 150% is unheard of. So what brought that 150%? What you have gone through?
So basically, in the module, as I told you, it is a step by step process. Each and
Yes.
every time, first round of interview, second round of interview, the negotiation process, HR interview. So I completed all the modules. But when the stages come, like the first interview, I go through that module 2 times, 3 times, jotted down the points, and then try to attempt next day, right? So I remember, I got the call from the HR regarding the selection and joining the organization and negotiation process. I was totally not ready at that time because it
Okay.
was unexpected, to be very frank. And suddenly got this, and I got this call from different reason, right? So I buy the time for one day from the HR because I
Mhm.
was not prepared, and I don't want to waste this opportunity, right? As per our module. So I buy one day time, and in one day time, I did. All the efforts. I put all the efforts as per the direction guidelines, given in the module,
Mhm.
and just just I know, yes, this is the bracket, this is the range, I should be there in the range. Why he's pitching me, the amount, right? So next day when the conversation is start, so after listening all such things, I was just keep quiet and listening very comfortably and carefully, because I aware what the next action would be, right? So after all the conversation, then I start slowly, I start my conversation, and it reached that level, where the HR need to take the decision, right? So HR also need one day time to close that conversation. I did not get immediate response. So I put each and everything, the facts, figures, and all the points which I have jotted down in one day time. And in the middle, I also received an offer from Cuba, right? So I also, include this in the conversation, the bracket range also. HR told me that he will get back to me, and he also need to know one day time. And after one day, when we start our conversation, so it was totally different conversation at all.
Mhm.
And in a way, I basically get this hike.
Wonderful. And has salary negotiation help you in that entire process?
Help me a lot, if I will say, help me a lot.
Okay, wonderful. Would you like to share what you have gone through in the salary negotiation that somebody else can apply? Maybe.
So the first thing is that you should go through different, websites, right? Like Glassdoor and other websites are also there. And as per your experience, as per your position, so you should be aware, in which bracket you will be, what will be your range, right? So that you can start, and in which reason you are basically going to work. So,
Absolutely.
and apart from this, if you have any contact or previous contact in the organization, and or the contact who has worked previously with the organization, so you can just contact them and try to get some more details, right? Like the bracket, salary bracket, inch and everything, the CTC. So that will help you a lot. So I was lucky enough because I got my colleague in that company when I basically tried to search on LinkedIn, and I tried to connect it to him. So I was not having the time, so directly called him, and just I was just lucky enough he recognized me after 8 years or 9 years.
Wow. So
So
networking help. That's what you're
yes,
saying.
exactly. The networking is the soul. I'm saying the networking is the soul of the profession.
And I also heard that you had kind of improve your LinkedIn branding per se. How has that helped you?
So I completely, as per the LinkedIn module, I completely changed my profile, pick each and everything, and I started contacting, making contacts. I mean, I'm just working. I work to grow the network. Still working, and each and every day I'm following 2 3 steps. When I get up early in the morning, we always check our emails, on mobile. So what I did, I also checked the LinkedIn along with my emails. And I never forgot to wish to my contacts work anniversaries, birthdays. So it's mandatory in my profile
Wow.
to wish each and every day, so that they should all be in contact.
True.
Maybe we are not doing much more conversation with each and everyone, but this is the basic step. So when the second person, when you will approach or try to have more conversation with any contact, yes, some more conversation he and you can see, birthday wishes or anniversary wishes or anything else. So in a way you can go ahead, you know and apart from this, you can also uh, share the post on LinkedIn. So I started sharing some leadership thoughts, and apart from this, some domain related stuff I started to post. And I got my SSI score from 50 to 69 or 68
Wow.
within, if I'm not wrong, within around 28 or 30 days, if I'm
Wow.
not wrong.
That's huge.
Yes.
That's huge. And how did you land up the opportunity? Is it through networking again?
Yes, not directly, but indirectly, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful. Very nice. So the reason I'm asking you this question is because a lot of the mid-career professionals are still following the route that you were following, right?
Yes,
Three
yes.
months before you joined the CAM, correct? And I just wanted to have that understanding from you now. If somebody is a mid-career professionals like you, right? What would you advise him? I mean, just to start with, if somebody is getting stuck, somebody is looking for a job, or probably just thinking that next available job is everything for them. So what would you advise now after going through CAM?
The first thing is, yes, the first thing is networking. On a regular basis, as we check the Facebook, start using the LinkedIn,
Mm-hmm.
start updating the details on LinkedIn, and start making network.
Mm-hmm.
So I remember when I start, within a month, my target was basically more than 500, and I achieved
Wow.
it. Right.
Wow.
So I
That's
achieved
awesome.
that target of networking. Right. So exactly, each and every network, if you will set up you have to categorize the network into three categories: the first category, the second category, and the third category. The more you know, I mean, the more you have the conversation with the people, you have to put on first category. You have the casual conversation you have, you have to put in second category, and the very rare conversation, or you don't have any conversation, you have to put a third category. So
Mhm.
gracefully and slowly, you have to start conversation right through LinkedIn, because it's a professional network. So you have to work on the professional networking. And I'm giving you the surety that not only a specific company, but there are lots of other opportunities also you will start getting to work with them.
Wonderful. And do you think that at this stage of your career, I'm sure you have more than 14 years of experience, if I say, right?
Yes, yes,
Right.
yes.
So do you think that you guys are not enough? I mean, you have knowledge, skill, experience, talent, expertise, everything is there. Why somebody like at mid-career gets stuck?
I mean, in mid career, there are two situations: either one can go upside, or it will be downside. So it's very tough period, the mid level, because there are lots of responsibilities, there
Mhm.
are lots of expectations, from the stakeholder side, from you have to manage the team also.
Mm.
So there are
True.
lots of expectations. So sometimes we lost in the transaction, right, or in the middle, if we say. So the focus, when the focus is out, start, the thinking is also impacted.
Correct.
And the thinking, when the thinking pattern impacted, so you will not take the correct decisions, right? You will not be in the position to take the correct and right decisions. So in that case, start getting down from the curve. So if we have, we all are aware, the curve, right?
Welcome.
Bell shape curve, right? So when you reach the peak, and after that you start, getting down. So that's a situation. So to overcome of this, you need a mentor at this stage, right? A good mentor, a good, person who can guide you at the steps, who can help you at every steps, so that you can overcome all such situations and grow in your
Mhm.
profession and the career.
Okay. And how did you find that in CAM?
Absolutely, the result is in your front, sir. Exactly. I like this course very much, because each and every stages is related to each other, right?
Mhm.
You need not to go somewhere to ask. Each and every point is correlated. Just you have to listen carefully all the videos. You have to take the action, because we already said, the magic is in action. Without action, nothing will going to be changed. So action you have to take. So just jot it down all your points. If you will see, I have basically filled my two copies.
Wow.
I was not familiar with one time, then I went to second time, third time, right? Jotted down all the points, and it is very difficult to implement all such things. That's a difficult part. So I mean, the progress is important, not the perfection. So start progressing on a regular basis, 2 points, 3 points, and start, going ahead from there.
Wonderful. And how did you find the coaching?
Excellent. So as I already told you, leadership is a universal language. I know that. So all such things, we are getting in camp is relating to the practical environment. It's not a theoretical thing. We can apply this. We can apply tools and techniques. We can apply all the materials which is shared, by CAM. And all the sessions are very meaningful, where we can raise our query. I aware, I have raised so many queries, in the past. So
Wonderful.
yeah.
So help me understand now that you have gone through this, what would be your next step? You feel that have you got the career clarity which can actually give you a holistic picture by now?
Yes. So I have a complete picture with me, in which year what I have to do, where I have to grow,
Wow.
what is steps, what is skills is required. So still
Excellent.
working on that, to achieve. And yes, of course, my vision is fully clear. For the next 5 year plan I have with me, and 5 and 8 year plan.
Wonderful. I'm so glad that you have worked through it. I mean, why I say magic in action is for simple reason, because in my life also I have observed that however intelligent you are, your intelligence only pays when you take the action towards it.
Right.
Otherwise, it is as good as you are a knowledgeable, learnable guy, but it is not going to help you in your life. And that is what you have proved me, that if you really thoroughly go through it, apply each and every aspect of it, the rigor that you have gone through, I believe there are very few people who have gone through, and those few people have got the result as well. So I truly believe that those people who are taking the actions, whether you are in my family of career acceleration mastery or not, regardless of that, if you are taking an action towards the your career, and if you are taking charge, and if you are having a mentor or a coach who can guide you, not necessarily that I should be at your place, but if you have that mentor and coach who you have faith on, I'm sure that all of you are destined to probably achieve the success what uh, this student has achieved. And I'm really great. I mean, really happy that you could achieve that, and not in terms of the numbers also. It is in also terms of the timeline, because I believe that you joined in 31st, and we are talking not even in 31st March, and you are already in job, if I'm not wrong, right?
2 months, 10 days.
2 months, 10 days. So you can imagine that you can get the result if you really work through it. So that is a kind of result I'm really proud of. Honored to have you here, and definitely I wish you all the growth, all the success, and fulfill your vision for your life and career as well.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks.